Something new we have this year as well is the Pondzyme Enzyme. Now an enzyme, in this case, it's not a living organism, it's actually a compound, but it actually breaks down more complex organic materials to a form that is more easily digestible or usable by beneficial bacteria. So we've had some amazing results with it just to sort of turbocharge our regular bacteria applications. Pretty much it's really quite efficient too, 3 ml per 10,000 litres as a maintenance dose per week, or if you want to go a bit harder on it, 10 ml per 10,000 as a startup maybe, or if you have some issues, some build-up of organic material. If you haven't got your filtration or your skimming right, you will have a build-up of organic material in your pond because it's got nowhere else to go unless you are scooping it out. So anything that settles to the bottom starts breaking down and becomes part of that nutrient cycle in your pond. So the more material you can remove, the better. If you can't remove it all, this will help to actually accelerate the breakdown of that organic material in your pond and bring your filtration up to a standard, your water quality back up to a standard where you want it. Really good stuff. We have larger ones for large ponds and some smaller applications in this little fella here. If you were doing like a dam, or you had a big body of water to treat with your enzyme, you have your lake bacteria packs to go with this. So 4 of these per quarter of an acre in combination with enzyme is a really good basic maintenance schedule for a body of water, especially a large body of water. This is the best thing you can be doing in association with aeration, keeping it really simple but really effective. On your smaller ponds, we have the beneficial bacterias, again in combination with these. There's a few types of these. We have maintain as well in combination with an enzyme. Is a really nice mix of products along with some phosphate binders as well in there to actually bring your water quality up. And again, really good in combination with your enzyme, which takes care of those more complex molecules and material and makes it more readily digestible by your bacteria, your beneficial aerobic bacteria.